Hey guys, I'm Raj here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, then probably you should hit the red subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell icon to watch more of my tech videos. If you haven't watched my previous videos, then maybe you should click the card above to watch my previous video, because in today's topic, the topic is related to my previous video. Today, I'm going to give you all the first look on the Microsoft Office app for iOS. The new Office app for iOS is one of my most favorite apps I've been using lately, because there's a lot of features in the app and I'm going to show you all these features in today's video. So probably you don't want to miss out all these features, and just let me brief you what makes this app very special to me especially. And also, after watching this video, if you like to try the app, I'll attach the link for the Office for iOS in the description also. Then probably you can click that link to download for your iPhone. Most of you probably might be thinking the Microsoft Office is just a similar app which you already have in the PC, right? Because this app is a productivity app. So productivity app, most of us, we tend to use Microsoft Office when it comes to productivity. The reason is because we grow up using Microsoft Office. You remember those days when you go to the computer class, that time the teacher will ask you to create a presentation slide, and you put some animations to it, all these things, all these things we use Microsoft Office. We can't move away from Microsoft Office, although there are many others third-party productivity apps, but still when it comes to productivity, the best is Microsoft Office. Microsoft launched an app for iOS, which is the Microsoft Office Word, then Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint. So these three separate apps. So these three separate apps, you got to download each of these apps. What Microsoft wanted to do now is they want to make it more unified. So to make it more unified, what they do is they launch a new app called Microsoft Office. Inside there, they have a lot of features besides these three apps inside it. So the first feature, when we click on the app, what we see is we have a note taking. So the note taking app, you can just click it, and if you want to write some notes instantly, so you can just click it and you write it instantly. And if you have a Microsoft Office account or Outlook email, then probably it will sync to your account so that you can open in your PC right away. So that's one. And the second thing we have is the Microsoft Lens. So now they built in the Microsoft Lens into this unified Office app. So with the Microsoft Office Lens, you can scan a document. So probably it's more like a copying a document. So what you can do, you have a paper. Now with the paper, you can scan that paper and then you can convert it into a picture, or maybe how in document, and that document you can convert it to PDF also. The third thing is the Microsoft Office itself. When you click on the document option, from there you can see there'll be three of these productivity apps, which is the Word, Excel and PowerPoint. So all this you can try one by one. This is how the Office app looks like. You can see the logo here. Probably if you want to search and you don't know how it looks, you can just see it's like a square shape, orange and reddish color. It's in the square shape. You can just click here. So probably you're gonna click, you'll open it, and then if this is the first time, it asks you to sign in. If you wish to sign into your Microsoft account, you can sign in. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you still can continue using this app. Let me show you. So these are my recent documents which I have created. In the Microsoft Office app, there's three features, main features I would say, which is the Notes, Lens and Documents. So this is the Notes, Lens, Documents. Okay, so let me show you how does the Notes work. So the Notes app is almost similar to the Apple's built-in Note app or Google Keep Note app. So it's almost similar. These are things to buy. So now I probably already added this list. Then I can just click on done, and as you can see, my notes will be added to my main screen. So if I want to edit, I can open, I can view it. So all this I can do. So that is the Note app. For Lens wise, you can scan a document and probably convert it into a PDF or whatever you like it. So let's try. So now I'm just going to convert this. Okay, now it's scanned. So I can see there's filters. I want to choose a filter, or probably you want to select example. You can select the modes, whether it's a document, photo or whiteboard. This purpose, I'm going to select document. If you can see here, there's one button here, it's called file type. So probably because most of the apps, they don't have this feature. You only can save it into PDF document probably, but then this one can basically a desired file type. So then I can just select this. So now you say file type set to Word. So then set to image, set to PDF, set to Word. Okay, so there's three options. So probably I just set to PDF now. I click on done. So now you see this is a PDF document. Okay, so to prove it, you can see there's written here pdf.pdf. Once it's saved, we'll show you in the 2D screen. You can see this is the file name just now which I created. That is the Lens app. The next is documents. If you see the normal Microsoft Word, you only can create document and create from template. But then probably over here you will have 3 options for Word and 3 options for Excel and 3 options for PowerPoint. So let me just go through first option, which is scan text. So scan text is one of my favorite feature. So using this, I can just click scan text. We'll use this once again, and this will do the processing. This could take some time.
A few moments later,
the text has been extracted, and this is the original. This is the original which I scan this card, and this is what I got. So now I can just edit. If I just click here, I can edit whatever information I want to put. Maybe I want to change this whole thing to put admin probably. So you can see the word changes, and then once it's changed, then I can save it. I can save it as Microsoft Word document, and then this document I can edit it my PC anywhere I want to edit. As long I already signed into my account, I'm able to edit it easily. The blank document is a normal Microsoft kind of feature, so I'm not going to show that. So next, let's see scan table. Okay, so for scan table, you can scan a table, and once you scan an Excel table, and from there it will create an Excel spreadsheet for you. Actually, I've already scanned just now, so I'm just going to show you guys here. So this is a table I scanned from my Excel, one of my Excel sheet I opened in my computer just now. So you can see these are the things here. So these are the things that it created, and none of this I created on my own. I just have to scan my table, and that's all. I just get everything here, right here. So I believe you guys got the idea, right? How it works. As usual, you can create a blank workbook or create from template. So next is the PowerPoint. So in PowerPoint, from the pictures, you can create a presentation slide, and then you can create a blank template and so create from templates. If you want to use templates, you can select here the option for you to create template. So these are the ones. The next feature I'm going to show is one of my favorite feature I've ever tried. So that is the Actions tab. So as you can see here, this is the Actions tab. So Actions tab is more like it just within your fingertips you can complete your actions easily. So for example, we have transfer files. So transfer files is allow you to transfer files from your Windows, from your PC to your iPhone, or from iPhone to your PC. So you have to click, and then you can send, receive easily, just can transfer. But then there's a limitation where only the maximum file size you can transfer is 10 megabytes, because Microsoft, they're encouraging you to transfer files especially. So you can't transfer photos or maybe videos, or they won't advise. So if you want to transfer a document, then probably you can use this option. So it's very simple. You just have to go to transfer the Office on your computer, and you have to scan the QR code, and from there it will link to your iPhone, and then you can transfer your files easily. The next is I think I already showed the image to text. It will extract the text from the image, and this one also I've already shown you guys. And next is the sign a PDF. So if you say Microsoft Office, previously they don't have this feature because you only have 3 apps, which is the Word, PowerPoint and Excel. And over here you have an additional features, which is sign a PDF. Okay, like example, like I'm just gonna click this one. I show you how to sign a PDF. If you remember those time when Apple App Store was launched, that time they have a lot of apps just to sign for PDF, and you have to pay for them, most of it, because they have some watermarks. So if you want to remove the watermark, you have to pay for the app. But this one is just free. So example, this is a PDF document, so maybe I just want to sign here. So I can just tap, example, I want to sign the cloud, and this one I just already created a simple signature just now. I'm just going to select this. Okay, so now you see it's already added here, but it's big, right? I can resize it easily. Just make it smaller. Maybe I'll make it smaller some more. Simple as that. I can just sign like that. And if I want to sign in another place, I can just scroll down. Probably let's add a signature right here. Okay, I'm just going to select here. Yeah, that's all. See? And then once you're done, just click on save, and you save the PDF document. So if you want to send some documents, some confidential documents which require a signature, you can use this. You can just sign easily without downloading a third-party app. Just use a this Microsoft Office app, and you can get your things done easily. And also you can see they have pictures to PDF. You can convert a picture into PDF, convert a document to PDF, and even you can scan a QR code if you want. So if you see, these all are the features Microsoft has in one single app. So guys, this is the first look of the Microsoft Office app. My overall opinion on the Microsoft Office app is one of the greatest app you can use for an iPhone, because now everything you got to pay, but then in Microsoft, using this app you don't have to pay anything, and easily you can do all the features which I've shown previously. All these features you can do it just within a few seconds. So it's simple as that. And also one more thing is to note, that is, if you have three of this Microsoft Office, Word, PowerPoint and Excel in your iPhone, the file size for the one app is around 200 to 300 megabytes. So if you combine these three apps, you get almost to 1 gigabytes. But then this app is just around 200 megabytes. So with 200 megabytes, you got all these 3 apps built into one app. So that's one of the reason I really like this app. Personally, I feel it's worth downloading. If you haven't downloaded it, do download it. I attached the link in the description. Microsoft also, when they announced this app, on their statement they said that they are testing one of the feature right now at the moment. They haven't launched it yet. It's especially for PowerPoint. This feature is one of my most favorite feature. I'm eagerly waiting to try this feature, because the reason is because probably when you want to use your phone to do PowerPoint, you might feel slightly difficult, because it's a bit like you have to select the font and you have to select the template and the images, all these things. It's a bit hassle. So but then what if you are going for a meeting and then you want to do it on the go itself? There'll be a new options once they roll out, and that option, when you click it, you can just write. It's more like an agenda. So you just like agenda, you already might know how does agenda looks like. So in the agenda screen, you just have to type, okay, example, I said slide 1, talk to my editor, slide 2, prepare notes, slide 3. So you just add on all these points. So when you press on publish or press on save, these bullet points will be converted into a beautiful Microsoft slide presentation. That is how this feature is. So this is one of the incredible feature, and probably if this feature came out, I'm pretty sure this will be very, very useful, because sometimes you'll be on the train, you might have some ideas. So when your ideas comes in, you want to put in the slide, you can just put it as a bullet point, and this bullet point will be converted into a PowerPoint slide presentation. That's beautiful, and it's simple as that. So overall guys, that's my video for today. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my tech videos. Till then, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.